drop asleep.
Tracy!
Yes, miss?
You are really sleeping? No, get out. Because this can't be real.
Sorry.
I can't believe this girl.
Please, me, I'm begging
You mean to tell me?
to work. I'm in need to drop asleep.
I gave her a simple task to do in the room and you're telling me that she fell asleep?
Mister, because me I use the one heap of bleach and something them and then kind of make my eyes them weary.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Dad. She must be tired. I
You never drop
can see
asleep
that.
before, you know.
She must be tired.
Dad, stop picking up for her.
Please, miss, please. Me ever drop asleep before, you know.
You should have never done that, Tracy.
I bleach and it's something there.
No, I'm talking to her.
It's okay. Why are you being so harsh with her?
It's not a matter of art, but we got to train them or we need them to work.
Cookie,
She's
a
the
part of the
maid.
family. She's no maid, Cookie. She's a part of the family.
Dad, you're being ridiculous now. You're
Anyone
simply being
working-
ridiculous.
Anyone working here is a part of the family.
You know-
We're not going to treat them like a maid.
Alright, Dad. My head, I can't bother with this right now.
Skinny. What's the problem? You need to run the house like a man, Skinny. It seems like your woman is running the place for you.
Then Pops, when we want me to Pops?
You need to stand up as a man.
Then no make a way call the Pops for me.
I told you you shouldn't wake her. You should let she sleep and rest.
Sure. Pops,
Don't you think the young lady is tired?
she must tire this.
So you should let she sleep and get some rest.
What, Pops, and me go wake her, Pops.
So
Understand?
why did you wake
And
her?
me go around there, go wake her, Pops. Me go around there, go wake
Boy,
her.
you need to man up, Skinny. And I'm serious about that.
Skinny!
You hear? She's calling
Yes.
like she's the man.
Come here.
So if you
Come
can't run the house, how you gonna run a business?
Skinny!
Yes.
I said come here.
That's not the way I raise a boy. You acting like, I don't know, is she running your head or what?
I say,
Come inside.
why problem now?
So Skinny, you even saw me say, you didn't say anything at all to your father out there.
So when me feel
He
say,
was defending the maid right before my face, giving her privilege. You as the man need to do something about that.
babe,
And soon. Yes, you need to go out there and do something about that.
Alright, hear me I say, Zin. Hear me I say. I know everything you make a fuss out of. It was me that go in the room and wake her up. Who you think go in there and wake
It
her up?
doesn't even match.
Take time to
I hired
but
her.
Pops just come and need to hear him.
You have a point. But as a man, you need to stand up. You need to say something to her. I'm not speaking to her. You're the one who's going to
So you
speak.
want me to go
Yes,
that?
defend me in your father's presence. Because obviously he's giving her privilege to do whatever she wants in this house. Wait, Skinny.
Babe,
Obviously, you're not being real right now. You're
I'm
behaving as if there's nothing wrong with whatever just happened. Like I am crazy, like I am the crazy one.
the truth.
Right.
The truth.
So young lady, what is the name?
Tracy, sir.
Tracy,
Yes, sir.
I can see that you're not having a good time here.
Not really. Me understand, so I'm not supposed to drop asleep on the work, but because I was like really exhausted and then I was using the chemical.
Yeah, I can understand that. But that's not the way they should be treating you though.
No, sir, I'm a job, Miss Cookie saying.
It's your job also, but she didn't have to come and behave like that. Come and tell her to get out. And I told Skinny that he shouldn't wake you also. So why are they treating you like this? And Tracy, don't worry yourself. I just want you to cheer up yourself. And my name is Rolling Dice. Or you can call me Mr. Dice. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So just make yourself at home and just forget about what just happened a while ago. I'm gonna talk to Skinny and I'm gonna talk to Cookie as well.
Go!
Babe,
Go!
what me
And
what me
talk to
ever
your
say?
father. I don't care.
When you not
Skinny.
one?
Go and
You-
talk to your
then you-
father.
What I'm dealing with, Tracy?
Like anytime you know how I work for you.
So what
But
you
I'm here.
Hey, let's see how
Hey, Pops. Pops.
What's
Listen,
the problem?
she not supposed to sleep in the room, Pops. You understand? And I mean, I wasn't up. Me if you deal with them thing there, Pops. So if she rang, me if you stand up like a man and
You are no man of the house. You're not
You
acting
mean-
like a man.
So me I do you know.
You're acting like a man, kid.
Pops, you see, and that you don't understand.
Skinny.
And me are the man of the house. Sign?
So why you guys treating her like that? I
Oh,
know,
Pops.
I know it's wrong for her to sleep in the bed
What you
without
think?
your permission, cause you are the head of the house when I'm not here. So it's not right for her to go and sleep in the bed. But you didn't have to deal with the situation like that. And Cookie come and just pull her out. I don't like that. I don't accept that.
But Pops, you tell me, right is right, wrong is wrong. And I end the idea, Pops, if she wrong, she wrong. You understand, Pops? Nobody now pressure.
Two wrong cannot make a right. So what you should do, you should let the young lady sleep and get a rest. Look, look, she's even crying.
Yeah, Pops.
You must not treat people like that.
Here, Tracy. You can go now.
Stay here, Tracy.
Never finish working.
Cookie, what's the problem?
What you mean, darling?
Why are you guys being so harsh with her?
Tracy, we've been harsh on you.
You see, she don't want to talk. Because she know you guys been treating her really bad. Because it's my first day and that's the way how you're treating her.
She fell asleep on the job, Father, and that is wrong. So tell her that she is wrong.
It's
I don't
wrong.
know what else Tracy had told you or what's going on here. She don't normally look so nice.
But I see she was even crying. What caused that? You did not
I don't
treat
know
her
what
like that.
caused that.
Cookie,
I'm unaware.
you guys can deal with situations better than
But
that.
what I'm aware of, Dad, is that she needs to be more focused on the job. That's all I am saying. I hired a maid. I didn't hire a little sister or a pet. I'm not going to walk after her and do anything.
Cookie,
That's all
I
I'm
know
saying.
it's wrong for her to go and sleep in the bed like that without you guys' permission. But that's not the way how to deal with the situation. You could deal with it better. You didn't have to go and pull her out of the bed. You could say, okay, take a little minute and rest.
Father, you don't understand. You have to put her in her place so she can know how to behave differently. When I go inside and I don't, she's going to do it again the next time.
You know what? Since you guys are moving so harsh with her, I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna
And
do.
what is that?
Don't worry yourself. I know what I'm gonna do. Just don't worry yourself.
Okay.
Tracy, okay? Don't worry yourself. Yes.
Sir, I'm sorry if you sleep on the job. And I'm going to write Miss Cookie one apology letter because we just have so much thing to go through.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Don't worry yourself. And stop the crying.
I let me find one job because I don't want to feel up on the streets. And then you know what I mean I work. Sometimes when me get me I feel walk come like from way around the main entrance. Cause driver say I get tired of me.
Tired of you? Why?
Because every minute me that they shout me fear or me not no fear.
So what, you're not getting as much money?
Yeah, enough for seminar and no work. $15,000.
No. 15,000 cannot do much. Because
Why?
you say your fare costs what? 2,000 per day?
Sir, me just don't know how that reach me. I go write them one apology letter in a car. The job means how much to me. Me can't lose it.
Tracy, anybody can make a mistake. And that's not a mistake. I can see you working very hard because it must be because you're working hard that you have to lay down and sleep. Because it's the first time.
Yeah, I'm a first thing out of about them. Me never drop a sleep it, only in a taxi.
But I still don't appreciate the way they're treating you, Tracy. Because you're a part of the family. So they shouldn't be treating you like that. Tracy, don't worry yourself. I'm gonna give you another chance so you can sort out all the bills.
No, we can't take it, sir. Me a help out.
Hey, Tracy, don't worry yourself. I'm giving you this. Nobody can tell me. That cannot tell me even do much. Yeah, it's a 400 years. Go and sort out yourself.
Oh God, sir, I don't know where just to feel me. Me can't pay my driver. Me can't pay my driver. Oh God.
Don't worry yourself, listen. There's a lot more where that is coming from. So just be a good girl and I know you will reap the reward.
Me not drop asleep again, sir.
Just
Oh, Jesus, sorry, sir. No, God.
why are you frightened?
Me want to lose the work again and show me happy, now, sir.
Chelsea, nobody can fire you. Even though, who was the one who hired you?
Mistress Cookie hired me, and then I told them I am, sir.
Okay, don't worry yourself. I'm going to make sure that everything goes well. You hear?
Thank you, sir.
So, you don't have to worry yourself about they're going to fire you or they're going to shorten your pay. I'm going to make sure talk to Skinny and make sure that he treat you better than they are doing now. Okay?
Mm-hmm.